Why you make me work so hard that you keep just to see